Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy. Today we will study electrolysis of molten salts. First of all, we will study the learning points of electrolysis. In first, we will study define electrolysis and then describe the movement of ions through the electrodes. In the last, we will study the state products of electrolysis for different electrodes. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the breakdown, also known as decomposition, of a compound using an electric current. What is an electrolyte? An electrolyte is a substance which conducts electricity when molten or in solution. Electrolytes contain free-moving ions which are attracted to the oppositely charged electrodes. These electrodes connect to a DC supply. What is cathode? The cathode is the negatively charged electrode in electrolysis. Positively charged ions move toward the cathode. What is anode? The anode is the positively charged electrode in electrolysis. Negatively charged ions move toward the anode. There are two examples of electrolysis. First example is of calcium chloride. Positively charged calcium ions having charge 2+ move to the negative electrode where they gain electrons to form calcium atom. Negatively charged chloride ion 1- move to the positive electrode where they lose electrons, become atoms and pair up to form chlorine molecule. There is another example of lead bromide. Molten lead bromide is an electrolyte. During electrolysis, positive 2+ lead ions gain electrons at the cathode and become lead atom. Negative 1- bromide ion lose electrons at the anode and become bromine atom, which pair up to form bromine molecule. Lead forms at the negative electrode and bromine forms at the positive electrodes. There are some uses of electrolysis. Among other things, electrolysis can be used for extracting metals, purifying metals, and cleaning metals. In this way, my video is about to end. Thanks for watching my video and also like and subscribe my channel.